about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. Now that we're in the month of March, let's teach you something interesting, something that is funny maybe, like 开玩笑。就是说有些人喜欢开玩笑啦，然后我们就会说just kidding. You know, how do you say just kidding?
讲笑嘅。
讲笑嘅. Okay, just kidding. So, in situations where people love to kid around a lot, we might want to say, 你好爱开玩笑哦，对不对？爱开玩笑。
爱讲笑。
就没有 gay 了，对不对？
对啊。
爱讲笑 okay? You don't have the gay anymore, but it means I love to kid around or someone likes to kid around. 爱开玩笑。那有的时候有些人真的啦，
被开到
不知道为什么，会避名，会生气，对不对？有的时候是因为真的开玩笑开太严重，
开过头了。
Exactly. Sometimes you kid around too much and you make someone mad. How do you say mad? 生气。
Fat kid.
好像要骂人哦。
没有。
再来哦。
Fat kid.
Fat kid. Okay. That means I'm mad. 生气了。
生气了。Fat kid.
Fat kid.
那海陆腔。Fat kid.
Fat kid.
那有时候我们也会讲说不啊。生气啊。不啊。
Oh, that's a different way of saying mad. 生气了。Okay. 那当一个人生气的时候，我们可能要骂回去。Okay. In this sense, it doesn't really mean scold, but it really means to tell someone off. Okay. Not really to curse. 我们所谓骂人，不是真的要把他骂死了，但是就是有点叮咛他一下，刁他一下，
刁他一下，
对不对？好，骂怎么说？
妈。
好简单哦，妈。
不是爸哦。
不是爸。
妈。
Sounds like mom, but it's just to scold at someone or to tell someone off. All right. 骂就是妈。All right. Let's make a sentence out of one of these phrases. 有人生气了，当然要赶快安慰一下，就会说你别生气了，对不对 ？Okay. When someone gets mad because you told a joke or you kid around too much, then you want to say, "Don't get mad."
莫发气。
莫发气。Fat can again is getting mad, 生气 and 莫就是你不要啦。
对。
莫发 can. 好 let's review all these terms. 爱开玩笑 like to kid around.
爱讲笑。
爱讲笑 and then mad 生气。
Fat can.
Fat can and to tell someone off or scold at someone. 骂。不是要骂妈妈哦，不要弄错了。And it's all about are you kidding? Just kidding around. 开玩笑的。
讲笑嘅。
讲笑嘅 and there you go. That's today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.